Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Carrie
and Andrea. If you're hosting or attending football parties, handheld appetizers are a must.
Mix up your usual offerings with these colorful and tasty fan-favorite snacks.
Tiny taco beef tarts. In a large skillet, add ground beef, onion, and garlic and cook. Add taco sauce, cumin, salt, and pepper and continue to cook while stirring. Spoon mixture into phyllo shells, top with cheese, and bake. Serve with favorite toppings like shredded lettuce and tomato or sour cream and olives.
Avocado bruschetta with feta. Slice baguette into rounds and place on a baking sheet. Drizzle olive oil onto each side and toast. In a medium bowl, add avocados, tomatoes, basil, feta, salt, and pepper. Stir mixture to combine. Top baguettes with avocado mixture and serve.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.